Good morning, friends. For third year SCC, we have discussed the topic critical thinking. The next topic for discussion is lateral thinking. As I have told you already, that critical thinking, lateral thinking, these are skills to solve a problem. These are techniques to reach to a conclusion or a judgment. Critical thinking intends to use conventional steps. Here, lateral thinking is a creative way, or you can say lateral thinking is an unconventional way to reach or to form a solution to a problem. It is creative, unconventional, a different type of angle that is applied for solution of a problem. Actually, the lateral thinking, this term was used in this sense by Edward de Bono. Edward de Bono used the term lateral thinking. He applied story of judgment of King Solomon to analyze the idea, and this application makes lateral thinking an important skill. Here, the process of lateral thinking is significantly different from the standard perception of creativity as vertical logic or classical method of problem solving. See, in day-to-day life, as I always states, we come across so many problems. Some problems which are little one can be solved very easily, but some problems are really crucial one, and there are different steps, different ideas to solve them or to reach to the conclusion. Lateral thinking is very different from, as I told you, vertical logic. Problems can be solved by using logic. This step or this skill of lateral thinking is very much different from that idea. Critical thinking and lateral thinking, these ideas are different. Here, critical thinking is associated with judging the true value of any statement or 6 errors or falsity in it. Critical thinking is related to the act of judging the true value of a statement On the other hand, lateral thinking used to move from one known idea to an unknown idea that has not been used before. So, since lateral thinking is a process which begins from one known idea to another unknown idea, a creative way to solve the problem, a creative way to form a conclusion, a creative way to know the value. These things are included in lateral thinking. Now, taking in account the techniques of lateral thinking. What are the techniques? First technique is alternatives. See, first technique to adopt the skill of lateral thinking is alternatives. You must know as more alternatives as you can, and if you have more alternatives, the technique of lateral thinking can be easily adopted. Then another technique is focus. Here, focus of our thinking regularly should be concentrated on the idea. If your focus shifts regularly, then there is no concentration on that idea. So, our focus should not shift. It should be concentrate on that idea only. And then your mind will work properly. That is quite simple. Then third thing is challenge. First one is alternatives, second one is focus, and third one is challenge. See, every new way, every new idea comes in the company of challenge, because the unconventional path, not traditional, unconventional path is always new for us, and to walk on it is a challenge for us. In the terms of economics, it is believed that where there is more risk, there is more profit. Or in the terms of literature, there is a line of poetry that heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard melodies can be sweeter than that. That means the way that we adopt, which seems us very easy, but the way that we have not adopted would have been more fruitful. could have been more successful by walking on that road. Then comes the provocation and movement. Provocation and movement. This indicates that we should always be provocative, or we should always generate provocative statements, and we have to use it again. Now the statement always helps us to build ideas, and hence we have to use it. Then comes harvesting. Harvesting. What is harvesting? As we collect much more ideas, we have so many alternatives, we have focused on it, we have collected so many ideas. So collecting so many ideas is called harvesting, and now at the end comes the time, the treatment of ideas. This is the last thing. How do you treat the collected ideas to solve the problem? In the next talk, we will discuss the importance of lateral thinking. I will send you an important video of lateral thinking also. So watch it and hear this video also. I will send you some notes also. Read it and watch the video. Goodbye.